It's similar to rum, but where rum is made with molasses, so like the sugarcane byproduct, cachaça is going to be made with only the sugarcane. So it's ultra refined, very, very simple, very delicious, got a lot of grassy notes and things like that. In true Adam Washington fashion, couldn't get cachaça. It's fine. So how do we kind of mitigate that, right? I've been doing this a long time. Like I said,
question.
There's not much difference between straight up rum and cachaça, right? So in front of you, you have a caipirinha in front of you. A caipirinha being cachaça, lime, and maybe some orange and a little bit of sugar. So let's make one, because I thought I had one more that I needed to make. Maybe one more? Yeah, that's right. So what we're using here, why is it red? Everybody's always like, oh, I love red, it's a red color. Everybody wants the red color. Blood oranges, they're in season, so why would you not? So it's a super simple cocktail. You literally take one little wedge of orange or blood orange or what have you, and a couple of squeezes of lime, right? Super simple. Because you kind of see how there's already kind of like pulp in your cocktail already. That's literally what you want. It's a very refreshing cocktail. It's in the mojito daiquiri thing. And so a lot of times mojitos and daiquiris are used to treat like travel illnesses. Because the soda water and the mint all helps with the digestive tract. So, yeah, I know, weird things. So how are we gonna fix this even though I don't have cachaça, right? So we do a little bit of rum. And then we also do a little bit of orgeat. Orgeat being a simple syrup made from almonds. So you have almond milk, the almond cheese, now you got almond simple syrup.
Whoop, whoop. We feeling healthy kind of today, right?
But sincerely, it's literally just sugar. So you can literally pop a sugar packet, some rum or cachaça, and the fruit, and call it a day, right? Just give it a good shake. You don't have to shake like this, it's okay.
You're just making it look good.
I'm doing my job.
Make a song. Like a maraca.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Then you just dump it all.
I'm about to start the musical up in here.
And that, my friend, is the caipirinha. This is something a little bit different. It's a little different when you're making it in bulk, but nonetheless, it is still delicious, very simple, very easy drinking. Something that you can sit on the beach.
Toasties. Toasties. No, you can toast it. Look, don't be trying to run away.
Simple syrup.